broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. La 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 la. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. You made me stay so bright. You made me live again. And I was lost in the dark. When I'm a broken heart, then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. Shout out sa 2 million in the house. Shout out. Took my hand is my mind. I was astray. Showing me the way. And now I finally found my home in you. Hello host. Hello ER. Mega mega love shout out. Hello Yasin. You take it my number. You get thumbs up. Pa-thumbs up naman please. Hello, good evening, PWER. Kabayan. Ayan, Kola, bisitahan mo yung bahay ni ER. Supporting channel, Kola. Salamat po, host. Walang anuman. I was astray to show me the way. And now I finally found my home in you. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark in my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. I will always love you and always. 8 million in the house, shout out. Patamsak naman dyan, baka naman. Sino ang iibigin ko? Siya ba na pangarap ko? At siya ba kumakatok sa puso ko? Shout out sa 2 million in the house. Ayan po, salamatan. Bisikola, bisitahan mo bahay ni ER Kabayan, PW. Shout out sa lahat. Sa 3 million in the house. Shout out. Sino ang iibigin ko? Siya ba na pangarap ko? Siya ba na kumakatok sa puso mo? Hello, sa 6 million in the house. Shout out, shout out. Good evening, good evening. May kahati pala ako.